Hello student, today we learn English word we know. Look at the pictures and tell. What is this? This is a tap. And this is a cup. This is a pressure cooker. What is this? This is a duster. This is a brush. This is a mobile. And what is this? This is a pencil. This is a pen. This is a ice cream. And this is a bat. What is this? These are biscuits. And who is this? And who is this? This is a doctor. This is a fridge, refrigerator. This is a towel. This is a table. And what is this? This is a pin.